Perhaps the most interesting and intriguing development in DNA research is this whole arena that has been given the name epigenetics. Now, what's relevant here is that since the time we understood that there was a genetic code and that basically half our code comes from our father's side and half our code comes from our mother's side, there's been the idea that we are sort of stuck with whatever we happen to inherit. It becomes almost a program that we are compelled to follow biologically based upon what we happen to get born with depending upon who our parents were. That feeling of being almost a victim of your genetics has somewhat permeated the field from the standpoint of the feeling that, well, if a person has a particular code, that's the way they're disposed to be, and it can be difficult to overcome what you were born with. What is very new and very interesting is this idea that we can change the way the code is expressed. What's fascinating, for example, in the area of longevity medicine, there is a specific gene that makes an enzyme that literally turns back the aging clock within cells. The name of that enzyme is telomerase. And there has been tremendous research in trying to find a substance that will activate the gene and elongate the telomeres and make cells younger. This is one of the hottest areas of longevity medicine. And the basic message is that we are not the victim of our code. The code, while it is written, just because it is written does not mean we're defective. We can literally shift the way it is expressed.